Prepositions. Let's learn prepositions today. Prepositions are the words which have their position before noun or pronoun. So see, the word itself says preposition. These words have their position before some noun or pronoun. Basically, these words tell the relation of noun or pronoun. So the first preposition is on. On is when the thing touches the surface. For example, this ball is on this table. How it is on? Because it is touching the surface. So जब ऊपर वाली चीज नीचे वाली चीज की surface को touch करेगी, when it is touching the surface, it is on. Whereas when it does not touch the surface, rather it is exactly above it. It is not touching it. जब इसके ऊपर हो, but it is not touching it. So this is above. इसके ऊपर तो है, but it is not touching it. The next one is upon. Upon is up and on. Up means not touching. On is touching. So when you jump on a surface, you are upon it. I am jumping upon the floor. So when you're touching the surface and you're leaving it, that is upon. Touch करना है और छोड़ना है, that is upon. Jumping is upon. Next is over. When you are not touching it, it is not exactly above it, rather it is covering you like an umbrella covers us. So it is over me because it is hovering me. It is not above me only, rather it is covering me. An umbrella is over me. The sky is over me. The sky is over us. So on when touches, upon when it does not, when it touches and it leaves also. Whereas above is exactly above, it does not touch. And over is when it is above, but it is covering you also, that is over. So along with these, on is used with other words also. The first word is days of the week. For example, I will come to your home on Monday. So with days we use on. The next usage of on is exact time. So when it is not before, not after, that is exact time. I will reach to you, I will reach to your office on time. That is on. On is for the exact time. So the next is festivals. On this Diwali, my father will be coming. On Holi, I will be playing with the colors. So with festivals also we use on.